State attorneys and several officers from the Office of the Directorate of Public Prosecutions and other stakeholders gathered for the launch of the Client Charter and Prosecution Guidelines. The Principal Judge Justice Yorokamu Bamwine used this opportunity to warn state attorneys and magistrates against collusion.
I receive complaints on a daily basis. People are saying, if you want an acquittal, just talk to the state attorney. The state attorney will talk to the magistrate and you'll get what you want.
Justice Bamwine further warned magistrates against rushing to arrive at judgments that taint the name of the judiciary and cause the public to lose trust in them.
We don't want guilty men and women to go back home laughing at the judicial system, because they were acquitted when they committed the offenses, but at the same time, we don't want anybody, any innocent person, to be convicted for an offense he never committed.
Although suspects have a right to bail, Justice Bamwine says that state attorneys are not doing enough to challenge the defense in court in order for the presiding judge to rule otherwise.
If you don't object, and object strongly, the court will decide the matter in favor of the suspect. But if you give your reasons, even if you are overruled, at least you will have done your part.
As the judiciary continues to grapple with a huge case backlog, Justice Bamwine says that the prosecution contributes to a big fraction of unresolved cases. Among the prosecution guidelines launched is the need for prosecution to summarize to court the aggravating and mitigating factors that will assist it to pass the most appropriate sentence. The chief guest was Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Major General Kahindo Tafire, who promised to lobby responsible authorities to consider improving the welfare of prosecutors.
The inadequacy of staff. It has now dawned on us that, judges and magistrates are lining up for prosecutors. The judges are now booking prosecutors. You'll be in my court. When it should be the other way around.
Tafire also said that government will double the number of prosecutors to bridge the understaffing gap.
I'm going to take up this matter with the Public Service Commission seriously. So that if we can't eliminate the stressful situation entirely due to budget constraints, at least we make relief.
Other cardinal prosecution guidelines include juvenile justice. During perusal and trial stage of juvenile, prosecutors should always give priority to cases involving juveniles. Prosecutors should ensure that cases involving juvenile offenders in magistrate courts are prosecuted within a period of 3 months. Prosecutors should develop child-friendly skills while handling child witnesses.
If you don't understand the people you lead, then you are better go and concentrate on your goods and cows and ducks and